According to a recent study conducted by Department of Food Science and Human Nutrition at the University of Illinois Urbana, a protein in soybeans blocks production of liver enzyme involved in the metabolism of triglycerides and low-density lipoprotein. Consuming soy flour rich in the protein B-conglycinin has the potential to reduce low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of metabolic diseases such as atherosclerosis and fatty liver disease. Soybeans' effects on cholesterol metabolism are associated with their protein concentrations and composition. They're also associated with peptides embedded in them that are released during gastrointestinal digestion. According to the scientists, one of the key risk factors of atherosclerosis is oxidized LDL cholesterol, so they investigated the preventive effects of the soybean digests at 8 different concentrations. Each of them reduced the LDL oxidation rate in a dose-dependent manner, inhibiting formation of both early and late oxidation products associated with the disease. Greater concentrations of B-conglycinin in the digests is correlated with larger reductions in oxidized LDL, esterified cholesterol, triglycerides and HMGCR levels in plasma. For more updates, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.